Good morning. My name is Sohail. Today my topic is on standard form third method of solving non-linear partial differential equation. What is partial differential equation? The partial differential equation is also known as PDE, corresponding to a physical system, can be formed either by eliminating the attribute constants or by eliminating the attribute function. By eliminating the both constants and functions, the physical system contains attribute constants or attribute functions or both. Equations which contain one or more partial derivatives are called partial derivative equation. Therefore, there must be at least two independent variables at one independent variable. Let us take two independent variables and to be independent variables. Order. What is order? The order of a partial differential equation is the order of the highest partial derivative. The degree of the highest partial derivative in the equation is the degree of the partial differential equation. Formation of partial differential equation. Formation of PDE by elimination of attribute constants and by attribute functions. Solution of attribute differential function. Let us consider a parallel differentiation equation of the form 1. If it is linear, and it is also called as linear partial differentiation equation, that is order and degree of and is 1. If it is not linear, and it is called a non-linear partial differentiation equation, that is the order and degree and of is other than 1. By eliminating the attribute constants, and from this equation we get which is called a complete integral or complete solution of PDE. A solution obtained by giving particular values, and to complete the integral is called particular integral. Linear differential equation of first order. A differential equation which involve partial differentiation and higher order differentiation is called first order equation. If and have the degree 1, it is called a linear partial differential equation of first order. It is also called LPDE, and it is also called a non-linear partial differentiation equation of first order. Example: a linear function differentiation and non-linear partial differentiation equation. Lagrange linear equation theorem. A linear equation of the one order involving an independent variable and two independent variables, and then form. Whereas function is called Lagrange linear function. Case 1. If it is possible to separate variables, then consider any two equations, solve them by integrating. Case 2. If it is possible to separate the variables, then to solve the above types of problem we have to follow the method. Method 1 is it is possible to solve any two equations. In such cases, the differential equations get the solutions and then substitute them in the other differential equation. Non-linear differentiation equation. A partial differentiation equation which involves the first order partial derivatives with a degree higher than one product, it is called as non-linear partial equation. There are 6 types of non-linear partial differentiation equations. Thank you.